how to adjust the picture before a smile simulation. When you're importing the pictures in the smile simulation, you can click on the picture and click on Adjustments. Here, you can adjust the orientation, flip it right or left, vertical or horizontally. Then you can adjust the brightness of the picture. You can adjust the exposure, the contrast, and any of these adjustments can be done. Also, you can crop the picture if it's too far away from the camera. You click, when you're done adjusting, you click Done and Done, and the picture will be corrected and ready for creating a smile simulation.